guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I thought I would bring you a recipe from CrossFit, and it's a low carb recipe for breakfast and super simple. Now let's get into it. So what this has, and I'm going to be looking over here for the ingredients. So what we have here is I've mixed up some eggs and I've put some seasoning, some milk, red pepper flakes, some chopped red onions, as well as seasoning. And then it calls for turkey ham, and that's what this is. Turkey ham, your muffin pan, not a cupcake holder, a muffin pan, because a cupcake holder is a little smaller. I mean, you can do it in that if you want to, but if you want a heartier portion, I would use a muffin pan as opposed to a cupcake pan, and then some arugula. So, and then cheese. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you're supposed to do is line your muffin pan with some butter. So what I'm going to do is I have some parchment paper, and I'm going to take some of my butter to line the inside of the pans. I kind of like that hack. That way I don't get butter all over my fingers and in my nails. So I have my muffin pan all lined with butter. Now I need to line the inside with the turkey ham. The recipe calls to add cheese into the cups. And this is Monterey Jack cheese that I'm adding. Now you add in your egg. Okay, so I added the for 350 degrees until once we finish, I will plate it up. I've just taken this out of the oven, so now I'm going to put some arugula on my plate. It's looking good. I'm going to add some salsa. Okay, there you go. Now this dish here has about 30 grams of fat and 25 grams of protein and only 6 grams of carbohydrates in this plate. And I'm doing this so that I can, one, lose weight, but two, build muscle since I'm doing CrossFit, and I thought I would try out their recipe. And now I have some left over so that I can have it tomorrow for breakfast. Let's see. Hot. Very delicious, a lot of flavor. Of course, that's from the seasoning in the eggs, along with the Monterey Jack cheese and the turkey ham. This is really a quick, easy, fast dish that tastes very, very good. I'm going to dive into the rest of this, and I will be bringing more low-carb recipes from CrossFit, trying them out and seeing how they taste. So I hope you tune in for more, and stay tuned for other videos regarding my body scan and where I'm at as far as my fitness journey that I've been on for over a year now. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know below. I will also leave the recipe in the description area below. Thank you for supporting my channel. Bye now.